How many colors for branding? So I would say 3 to 5, but you can have up to 6. So in the example that I just gave, you have 6 here. Now there is a strategy behind it. You do not just pick random colors. Like, please don't do that, because that is what makes branding look a bit funny, and it makes it really hard for you as someone to make graphics or social media posts with your branding. It just makes it super, super hard. So there is a strategy behind what colors are for what kind of depths of tone do you pick, and what colors do you pick. And I haven't even touched upon the color psychology yet. So yes, 3 to 5 to maybe 6, but the brandathon challenge is, yeah. I do like those colors in the example. Yeah, me too. I only launched my brand in November. Is it too soon to rebrand? I would say you've probably not given it enough time to see what the feedback is. But if you haven't got a lot of eyeballs on your business and you have a gut feeling that your brand is not quite right, then I would just rebrand, because there's no point waiting if you yourself are not happy with it. And I'd make mistakes now before you rebrand. You get bigger, you get more eyeballs on you, and then it's more of a big deal if you do rebrand. Like, if I was to rebrand Handmade Bosses overnight, you guys would be like, what? Whereas if I'd have done it, I don't know, like the first 6 months, it would have been like less of a big deal. All right, last question then. Would you suggest registering your business first, or get all your branding together first? So I would suggest, before you commit, I would suggest to get your brand together, get your target audience together, and identify and understand your product and how they fit into it. I talk about that more in my book, which is, do you know what? I haven't talked about the book in a long time, so I'm going to talk about it. It's called How to Be a Handmade Boss. And it is $17.99. We did have to put the price up because Amazon were being douches. So it is $17.99, and I talk a lot about the trio, which is your branding, your target audience, and your products. I would get that down. I would get that down first before you really start to like commit to doing your business and like registering it and getting insurance, which you will need, and all that kind of stuff as well. Alrighty, Roo. So is it all about your logo, or is it everything around it? Oh no, do you know what? The graphics and the logo, and basically that brand board that I've just showed you, that is the last bit on day 3. You've got day 1, you've got day 2, you've got the meat on day 3, all to go to talk about everything around branding. The brandathon is not just about colors, graphics, logos, pretty things. It is not, because a brand is so much more than that. In fact, I like to show this graphic off here, whereby your brand is the heart and soul of your business. Okay, it is not just like the body. It is not just the path that you walk on. It's the heart and soul, as we've already discovered by looking at IKEA and Gucci and Toyota and Ford. Your brand needs to subliminally get across these core values, and that is really like the main premise of doing the challenge, is understanding what makes you unique, looking at who you serve, looking at your target audience, looking at okay, what are your core values, looking at all that kind of stuff. And then on day 3 we touch on the branding board, because by then it will be super easy for you to just kind of like pick up on that and go, right, my colors are going to be this, my logo is going to be this, based off of all of the work that we've done in day 1 and 2. All right, my last little plug is, if you're on Instagram, comment the word brandathon and I will send it to you, or you can go and link in bio if you're watching this after the fact. Also, if you're watching on Facebook, I will give you the links. 3, 2, 1, there you go. And guys, thank you so much for joining me live. I'm going to be going live again, you know me, every single Monday. As Nancy said, I will be live again, same time, same place. Whether I'll be do you know what? The poll, guys, is 50-50. I've got landscape or portrait, and it's 50-50. So I might be portrait, I might be landscape. Whatever way I'm in, I will see you the same time, the same place next week. And thank you so much for joining me. Bye, everyone.